So I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 16. Which of the following features is found in the upper course of a river? A. Levee, B. Gorge, C. Oxbow Lake, D. Delta. So here we are considering the features that are found in the upper course of a river. Mind you, a river has 3 courses. So the first is the upper course, the second is middle, and the third is the lower course. So these are the 3 courses, and there are features found in each of these courses, but here we'll be considering the features in the upper course. So let's take a look at what each of the options are. So a levee is basically an embankment. A levee is an embankment built to prevent overflow of a river. So an embankment built to prevent overflow of a river is known as a levee. Now, a gorge is a narrow valley. A narrow valley between hills or mountains, typically possessing steep rocky walls, and then with a stream running through it. Then we have Oxbow Lake. Now the Oxbow Lake is U-shaped in terms of its shape, so it is described as a U-shaped lake or water body that forms when a meander of a river, or the river turns, is cut off. So it forms a separate body of water on its own. Meanwhile, a delta is formed by deposition of sediments from a river. Deposition of sediments from a river. Now, upper course river features include rapids, gorges, spurs, interlocking spurs, etc. And we've mentioned gorges as a feature of the upper course of the river. So the answer here is B, gorge. Now the other options are found either in the middle course or the lower course of a river. So the correct answer is B, gorge. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.